me na me expect say beto abawie na na by this time kan ye hyedem ya kata ye ni yetumi mpie hwe yan yesu ano wo ye bone a edu be gina bonte ni etua wakakaduro yesu ano wo ye bone a edu be gina bonte ni etua akakaduro na nkwara ni nyina hwe enti ye tutu ye ni wi ye na ye nkwara nkitegeti o etua akakaduro ni osa obie omo de hye enna se na nyame bo wiase no enipa bi wo ha no nko wiase a when begu wo ye den when we the election A plus you be win the election mo win ni hwie o bagum anim ase etumo fo monte ena mete ya obi say galamsey fight no na ama MPP elu nanado elu suicide anya galamsey fight no eye nkrofo na amokogigi omnwoma na ye kana amonte no kogi obi gold no akoton adi akogi obi excavator na odi ama nkrofo so mo fan mogigi nkurasefo asase ye ka saa montie ene with Facebook say what aba ma Akufo-Addo nti Akufo-Addo win election Akufo-Addo ne ba wo miatu kwan a NDC ni na president ye win election am catch say mo ade mo adwuma no kwa mo nti ase o adwuma na asem na esi no mo nti ase mbu nipa timie ya kasa kire wa mo nti Akufo-Addo be de ebuman no me no kra kamede be ma ba wo mia no nto aso timie kasa kire mo nti Watu abama Akufo-Addo but debi Akufo-Addo nim no tu ne nan free krom ha na ba wumi aso tu kwan pe alamba ben na president NDC for na ewu o man no ohu nya jimie bebi ajimie de mo egbeduru ohu bebi ajimie de mo egbeduru ohu say ye to aba ni wie ye no na ye kasa Akufo-Addo ewi ni pe the next morning the ba Facebook and betro say MPP MPs 4 baku fi ha mienu fi ha omo be kwatia mo na mo ka asa me boa no mo aka kire me o me ga na me na meti bibia because me MPP for penny for papa na no mo jimidi nti me meti bibia no aka kire me say enti enra me friend me ni pe ka say yo pa ye nto chacha Michael Ku ebetumi enwi o nwi ni da because na me nim na catch them say nkofo bi okrum ha mo hwe no omo ye ni papa o na mo yi du time ya na bufuo na aye over no ma ya ade bi o ma catch them say it's me catch them say mun ko twa two bets mun ko ta two sure obi an ko twa two sure because eye dan ya MPs na wo ho no we na Akufo-Addo hu ye o mo hin no ka say mo di ni krofo say na mo di ya food soldiers no mo di ya MPs ni bebre o mo adwa mo fokin enti ya no ma catch them say kwa me nya abotrela MPP mpenifo na o party ni mu no penifo pa na o kwame o kra de na nya botre grofo we ye ba kire o munyansa na munya hu hwe o mu hwe o si atabe yo da so I'm still here mutumi ma Facebook mutumi ye dede na mo ye ni biom mutumi ade na atonsom mu de no na atonsom ke to abawie ye nka ya kasasa ye nim se mo be to abawie ema ye dwane fikrum ha atonsom akrono ni timie mbu nipa mo win election mo win no mo se mo di kosi cathedral mo ko budan egu se mo kosi cathedral so mo ko budan egu dan ya yesi ye na Ghana asase asan Nyankopon ote rage pen na nyamete mo ko budan egu because obi di book bi be kire mo se amami bi kore apple wo garden bi mu ena nyame se ade eti no mo awe ne garden no ne apple no mi apple no ti nyame ma awe na me de koroso ma mi kunu ono so wa awe na me se he mama obesia me se we ne po akọwe apple sa story we go sa stories we na me de ohu mu bubu dan ehiafo man Ghana ye nisika ye si dan ya de ma judges atrem mu akobu dan no se mu kwasi dan ya ka apple story wo ti mo ko budan yagu nyansa ben ne wo mutirim nyansa another 4 years na ba no ye besia tatam ye besia kanokre a kire mu pa muntie yen ye betena ha yen busu hwio de bia me ba Facebook ya live bia say me I have nothing to lose mo ko budan ekosi dan ya ye ka apple story wo apple Bruni ma wiase na obetira mo Apple Store no na ye nsom nyame wo kurum ha na ye nana no mo nsom nyame na me nana kwakudu ko onsom nyame na me nana kwakudu ko abosomfo na onsom nyame mo tran na ye de story ye be ka tia mo kosi dan makotobo e wa abrochiri makotobo bo e de abasa mo be si dan na mo be de wi ni seat no mo be de wi ni mo seat no ma chebi wiase bibia na free essay ye to ba wi what so bia ka free essay Jesus asem Ghana for to abase ye hwehwe mampani bi oba be jai obeba nkwase asem etu atwa wo mamu ha wo ye pe obi a obeba be mampani wo mamu ha ebe ma enkwase asem tu atwa enye free na mama mo free what da say ye beto aba aban to me fa phone no afre nipa wo he akufo do say ye ma osika na covid sika bagibi ye cheche sika ma spend over 1 billion still the mo speaker of parliament NDC ni still speaker of parliament NDC ni e ba na say jimie etumufo amonte jimie na bibia nya me ya say ye etumufo na amonte no ba umia na bebre it also no disassociating no free ejimifo ho the kansam kiremo amonte mu Ghana fo ato abama mu Kolebu is the biggest hospital in this country na enframa kura bi ni ho wo Kolebu a wuntumi mfa phone enye call enfre say me the patient bi ba ambulance ba say na ye no ye nko hefa ye say arrange bed mbeko bi hospital papa enye adwuma o man ha dan a ye si ajaje se mo se ye kobu na ye de si asore dan ye start MPP me ne MPP and tokwa start nyina kire me one day ye kun tokwa enya about the development of this country and adia abibi ehia ye kun tokwa se Ghana ye 275 MPs who drive 275 V8 ye need ambulance we need ambulance me can some ways da mukoto ambulance by number bonjum ofeechon agbene ofeechon e plus we need we ato yen na ye kun se bibi mbra oman mu yen ni ewu jimie we MPP ni a eno nkire se by force se wujimi what I said and just by force say wujimi o ye need street light on motorway no so as good citizens we have to fight for street lights on the motorway and in our neighborhoods because we pay for it you pay for street light. Who told light with the shemua? 10 Ghana or better than 9 something. You have street light. You do not have street light. And you have to fight, you have to get street lights in your area. Who ya can't say some now. Say, that ben na yabe can't some. It is not about the interest of the people and the nation as a whole. Plus, agbene ofe chon because ya got ambulance and instead of so beka so Charlie squad now omo to say, yabe twaba. Everybody's area, ye two gota, ye two ha, ye two fa, ni ye two gota ha, no machine. Holiday, weekend, Sunday, mi kwanye so ha, omo ye kwanye. Ye two aban we pen om se sa woni omo ko. Enti the bia be tell my politicians say Jimmy en. Ye two aban we ye. Wo area kwan na omo ye no hu se omo guso ye. Omo nja e kwan no nko ye. Wo area ye two aban we ye no. Wo area kwan na omo ye no. Are they still doing it? Omo nja kwan no gu ho nko ye. And we are talking about this issue that don't allow these politicians to do this. And this is what they are doing. We are the beer you better aba ne ye kwan ne ye repe babam ye better aba motorway so almost see street lights day and night weekend holiday Sunday nyina no mo ye adwuma ye to we ye pe omukọ enti yen de ye gimi the beer say ya na Ghana for pe mampani bi a obeba obe ende sanoma no obi anto aba ma akufo de so me ye free o ye ma ye free we e na ma ye free we ye to aba enne ya ye kase to aba akufo do oba we na ma ye free we ye asem esi wo election mu no akufo ado tumi tena o memu ha no afa pen ne pepa no atro letter dia come America Black Lives Matter say police brutality e America police folk kum nipa e America entino or sympathize with blacks and then you Akufo-Addo you sympathize with black people in America ya to about Ghana Techiman South nipa wu to make an hwe Joe Wise Bekwa MP be catch them some criminals as a lawyer you can identify criminals who have not been tried and it's normal. So, omo ye criminals ye to aba no omo ko misbehave yenti no e ye normal see eku omo but ye to aba parliament no bi akotam obi akot ballot papers no bi akotam ballot box e no dey normal but ordinary Ghanaians in there omo wu a enye no e no dey enye normal omo ye bibi enye normal see eku omo shoot them to kill them enipa we na edi oman we so na wo betena ho ye kan sam we akere wa wo bebie wadwen mu no wetie asam no wo de wo maame ye MPP ni nti no wo de normal wo de wo papa ye MPP ni nti ye normal na wo A+ me support na why na say yankopon de babon sam support no obon sam oni yankopon de on support no on support no ite me on support no ya fa me ho ben moti o memu ha akotobo sam de besi dan ewe Israel for bo no honhom bi wo mu a say Holy Spirit so say ye den yo makotobo wo Israel na say mission bi pani bi no bi say enti say no enti wo problem dey say na me say me say me ye Ghana mampani a nka me kwa kosi cathedral no wo Kentampo me kwa kosi cathedral no e wo Kentampo because yes we are say kakraka ya nyame bot wo ha nyina ne mfimfini e ye Ghana e na Ghana mfimfini ye Kentampo enti say ya me na me ye president of Ghana e na me say still me person me see sa dan na enka me nkobu dan ngu wo rage enka me kwa kosi cathedral no si Kentampo no me see ade tintin bi ko wiem na maka kire wiase nyina say e ye ha e na ye wiase nyina medal na nyame wo soro ha enti wo fo ade wo yi na wo kosoro ha wo be kwa kosia nyame yare bia ye obi abeko wo be hu ni pe betumrika befo sa ade no and psychologically some people will get healed who to meet trampoline free ha na wo ko Israel wo ko peden a ye de wo ko gina bia say Hannah Bonsam e de Yesu be gina na o kire ne say o hwe na ho na gina ko twa photo be hu say Bonsam ne Yesu gina bia bi ye twa montro na magie bi wo trampoline mu free ha ko Israel so ko hwe bia Bonsam ne Yesu ko gina hwan na hu sa ade no a wo be ka kire wo nti a wo dimrika say wo ko Israel haye Hannah Yesu be gina ayo ye Hannah Moses ne Hannah baby ba ku bi o say Hannah Jacob eno osoro abofo okun tokwa na mudi saade n'echi ba wo de wontumi creative baby akonfo anochi ye say wontumi creative baby Kwame Nkrumah ye say wo so mfa ngi sika ni bi jimie na obi ahu ye mehin so mo ti abrochire no dwene Jonas catcher say munja jimie no na jimie mu na mote na wo say hey munne ne kokonto kwa Ghana ha jimie mu ne yete Kwame Nkrumah ni fi otena mu e wo Ghana ha e wo circle baby eja she circle no ho na Kwame Nkrumah not ne dan a odem ho na wo eye any civilized country nke de bia nkofo ba behwe bibia Kwame Nkrumah tenae ne top box ne mpani se ebi ni ho kra na o se corporate carpenter mane bobo mpa ne edisi ho se Hannah Kwame Nkrumah mpa we na oda so obi ye nko se sa book azan book be enu na abrofo ne de museum ne ade no mde giska no ba mo madwen no enya adwuma madwen no problem wo ho madwen ne nya adwuma omo bu o man we bebre na kakra bi na nim nyansa Oka say oko baby na saying Egypt ya say bizu say no muni aboya ne ho black ponko ya ne ho black and white difference zebra say o muni bi o ma ko fast spray ya ye graffiti e wo container mu ya ye spray down hu o ma ko fast spray ni bi e no mu de spray donkey no original zoo wana ko fo behwe say ye zebra na ya jiska kofo trampoline mom ko zebra say na ya donkey na ya spray no ho white paint and black ya mark no enso to hwe aboya na ase ya hye no yomu ne ho nyina na ahohori nkofo de omadwen Egyptian mummy pyramid na say nkofo de omadwen jiska wo memu ha ko begro go and see the rocks at Begro wo ko Begra there are huge rocks, there are huge caves in Begro. Go to Begro and go and see what is in Begro. I went to Begro. No biatro in 1870. So a white man were here. I was here with my wife to see so and so and so. In 200 years history, Oko Begra missionaries no omuba hano. Omo mubeti basre asore ni ade no. Omo cemetery wo Begro. Omo na nyina wo ho. Ye the glass akata so. Who knows about this? Do the people in Switzerland near there and Germany missionaries in those days no, do they know that baby was Begro? Yesu because way back in the 1900 say 18 there no time na Ramsey anomba hano omo besisi dan wo Begro before perhaps omo missionaries no ebi Ramsey anu kopie abitifi no omo besisi dan wo Begro no omo say wa wo pese wo tena nyankopon mu no Yesi estate wa ha enti bra enti sa area wo Begro ye fa ho Yesu mu ye see small estate ye ancient dan ye see ye but ko honda bon say ye well planned ye not dan but you planning no ye ye fra ho yesu mu. So what can you do? JB dan kwa baby o call school e wo begro e wo ho sese ya baby JB dan kwa call school the primary school e wo begro. Do you know about that? Abena on beto wo kuro no so na esi wo na ye fra na abegrogro no e da so si ho ye twa ho white esi begro. Do you know about it? What happening free here na wo call Israel wo ko because Israel for no to make promote omudi ani ye enti na wo koto bo wo ho se wo di besi dan no na nka me di Akufo Addo echi man dan so da ye se Akufo Addo betumi afa plane akofa bo so di besi dan wo nkran ha ebo no biti ho se NDC for ne pentokwa NDC for mo ankasa people for mo primaries bo a mo bo mo ho sa na mo di wi aba ne mu aba we na mo lusi o mo ho ade esi wo parliament and now mo person mo de military intimidating for women ha taking military into the chamber of parliament with guns adentia Akufo Addo president mo bia nkasa wo memu ha bio wo mu bia wewu a wo sunda ye wo me be wiase nipa ba ko me hu na wewu a wo sun ono kra se na ice hye nani ase ye wo me be wiase nipa ba ko pe me hu se wewu a ye na ya wo sun ono kra se ice blogger ko lock nani ase. Go to a place like Begro. There are waterfalls. What down Adua, you hear the water pouring. There are about 26 or so waterfalls in and around Begro area only. Well, who knows about it? Tourism, baller. To me, feel how comfortable with Israel. Maybe I come for call Ukugwa. You know the history. It's not media will become too for some pen because, but for too for. Any as the Benshia, any the Ashanti Empire, any Ashanti Kingdom, and can history a Kawukrum Hano, a wine. Obey to me preserving the dear. Kakra be no mutumi and no makakra. Nyaka nyina say, I have for dom wa kwese politics, bebrena and kanokre, we your hene, ye two nua or hene, ye dwa be ye or hene. Regional House of Chiefs, ye two ammonia de grofo be siso, no bia ye di, a yawo de, woman NDC NPP, a be shamu culture no tradition no mu, woman in shim. Now, Tina, we who the impact, the effect, the benya, a woman culture, and so. Between 4 men shall between the NDC and people could no color somehow come and see. Young Kano Crow, Memuha. Who the 2 Obama or presidents we could see a sorry dying. Who knew hospital, papa, so we could see a sorry dying. Ubi ya dear name, Yana Woko Khan, now President Buefu. Mampeni ayatu Obama no on to mean dealing with Obia, even deputy minister, he can't deal with them. Like I say Ghana for to me back free SHS. Me man to Obama ku for some free SHS. Me two man so on free SHS mo omo ni bi. Yes, it's good. But we need a government that is going to fight corruption. Look at this country we live in. Institutions don't work and Akufo Addo is now the cause has deepened that problem na wo memu hanu. Akufo Addo has deepened it. And can no you complaining police ni military you politicize the police ni military you politicize the police ni military everybody is complaining Akufo Addo buy no or the electoral commissioner be kan ho say any government that comes to remove the electoral commissioner there we will hold huge protest to remove her before Aban Bese Sakra. We have to hold huge protest in this country to remove the electoral commissioner. Akufo Addo buy Auditor General go on leave again because we need baako ya ade en ye papa na can say what's your memo as president of Ghana we say and Akufo Addo ye the election ya da man no fama na fama ho ben Akufo Addo 3 years yente ha am I not still here we say Akufo Addo be win election ma mani ewu am I not here na me boni pa different no na me boni pa different me I love to fight Akufo Addo Yo unipa baako ya dia enye. The Auditor General is the one who is taking money from how do you call it? Enkrofo mo wi oman sika, enkrofo mo fa kotikwan so age oman sika. The Auditor General is the one who is taking the money domlovo or jisika no back to the state. They are fanya mpuntuduma. Wan jiso peso odi o or jisika no de aboa oman no, ne dia yempuntuduma. Akufo-Addo say adenti na Domlevo tata ne nkrofo ni bi on ne nkrofo enti no Akufo-Addo bu afu Domlevo ko leave da o ko leave pe na Supreme Court ye de nyoma bi ni namu ne fa safmafo ya man ya auditor general fofo na aba no the nyoma na ko form court na chese ne ho atono onipa na oji sika dia ma na fa ye oman ni yie no ono na ono ne be kontokwa wa woni ma wo omamu ha wo pese wo okay woni wutumi nante ye nya opa bibia obeye bia no bibia nkotu control na support Akufo-Addo obi ye bibia nya amenka mo MPP from penifo na ya mbehu na kwame oba kamasem kan MPP asem MPP ya party papa MPP ya party kese Akufo-Addo na abese no enti wo ba obetumi aka ba wumi asem ubetumi aka MPP asem ubetumi aka Kennedy Apon asem ubetumi aka Alanchemanti asem ubetumi aka MPP je Kufu asem me kan Akufo-Addo asem treme ka Akufo-Addo asem treme zame ya wala special prosecutor enyam na kofa ne bae one kofa special prosecutor bae and you just brought the man and came and put him there so that he will feel nothing special. Okay, as a Ghana for more, we just had the Nina and a Ghana for or more observing. The mama free, oh my dear free. Mungo to free suggestion of Facebook, be mine. Jimmy, Chrono, my plan is some big boo mine. Yeah, you wait, Chino, Ebiana won and a wound. It's ya wait, Chile, the year with Yaman say, Nane, say no cool, Yana, you with Yaman, your enemy. Yana hit with Yaman, young mum, your enemy. Now, where do you go, mine? Yeah, Charles and Nana, Omubua. Young mum, your enemy. Not just a walk home, no, what is I would do, I would do her. Oh, be quiet one in the account with some Macleo. We're quiet one in the account, Macleo. Yana, your castle, where you say, Manasseh now all can some trouble. The problem is not the problem. Manasseh, who is talking about the problem now becomes the problem. Mon Penokre. Akufo-Addo has become a confident liar. Like we control with confidence. Akufo-Addo has become a confident liar. Like he can stand on radio and TV and say, we won the elections massively. And this is the most free and fair election in the history of Ghana. Eh? So be control. So who's your body language? Nipa body language. So steady nipa body language. Anybody who is telling a lie, they be all trying to teach her in the right. So we say. We want, this is the most free and fair election in the anybody who is telling the truth, they look up left hand side like this, because this is where you see truth. And you're natural. Go on YouTube, watch everything. We can't drop. And he's so confident in lying. And that's not the man that I followed. He has become a confident liar. Like Mamen Kanamen Komberding. You don't have a legacy. And Nanado, from now to the next 4 years, where you have been placed, it is going to, if you don't do the right things, so that some of us will stop talking. I want to support anybody who is there for this country. I want to support. I want this country to develop. So if the right thing is being done today, and Ghana is moving forward, I will always support. People say, come here, plus there, on your consistent. How can I be consistent in lying? I should be consistent, like every day. Remember, I say, and the Makasi Nana. In Ghana, when you say John Mahama did this good, oh, and this is for my idea, power. The next moment they are fooling. When you say MPP for my, you say the next moment they are fooling. So it is very difficult for you to be consistent, and we cannot be consistent in lying, and therefore you have to deal with the issues. You have to deal with the issues. Everybody who is not disappointed did not believe Nanado when he was talking. Anybody who is not disappointed in Nanado did not believe him when he was talking in 2016. Some of us did. We believed him. We believed everything he was saying. And that is why we question, because Mijinidi say some not can no correct, but not knowing some mube na a platform talk. Ya to about to me troll letter kuma America for said George Floyd. A friend is saying Black Lives Matter, police brutality, and your friend is saying, your friend is saying police brutality in America. Dear Ben, who to me troll letter at the comma, your friend is saying, a dear friend is saying, America in support of Black Lives Matter. Who are who could be a trouble in the Pugua was only a criminals, a normal. You can't say anything about it. When NPC are criminals. Now George Floyd now will be in a year with Krum who him say at his age no I jail 5 times. George Floyd now be in a year with Krum or Memu Hano. At his age no I jail 5 times. But to be in a year with her. But Obi call police station. Now issue be siwa near boat no wua or no criminal. Mumu nim nyansa. Mumu penny for more parliament on be bring mu nim nyansa. Who to me be you be a ye criminal like George Floyd to be in the year or Memu ha. Emo bia kobi. Enipa wu o memu ha o me Ghana for dia. Wo se omo ye criminals. Nyansan ni mutrim. Me kan last one, me kan some last one mako. Me hu sa abra na mo bo no. Wo be hu papa bi. Ti asem na me ka kire wo be hu papa bi. We di MP, we di hwan, we di minister, wa ye den, wa kọ, wa ba, wa ye bibia bi. Eso obenyin no. Na ne man nyina. Hu ma. Asa hu ma abra bo no so. We nam ha. We are school papa in Yomukobi, hospital papa in Yomukobi. Nemano, a man a woman, Omomaria, my brother, so Bassa, a man a woman, we are seeing Omonomoshi. A drug in Omububi, Omon, my brother, a common the end the Omu, but my brother Bonanca so. Papa Nanka saw then a hono, diabetes or be, hepatitis or be. A friend a high blood pressure or be BP or be baby. Neyere basa. Eso we asi bibi papa bia onya bi o. But ube mu papa bi no a civil servant. Oye adwuma wo Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. Oye adwuma wo Ghana Commercial Bank. One neyere oma ware 30 years, 35 years. Ne mama nyina ware. Omo nya so awa mema nice guys. Omo so ye corporate guys. Omo one neyere omo di 70 something. Omo ti omo kam no omo ko asori. Methodist ana Pentecost omo abafie omo kwasra omo nana no ye do omo nana no abro omo si omo na so hwe enye nyamo ye no se wubu oman a wo se wogi sika ye se monfa koye nsuo ma hiafo no wogi na wogi sika ye de asoma wo se fa koye ayi mpuntuduma ma hiafo na wudi a wo ne wo ma no mo bedi mo bebo mo nsam mo besere mo ni beji madwem so ma ye yi o but dachi ubenya sunsun so eya hwede Kennedy ne nebusuafo no hwe omu nyina hwe se na Kennedy wu ye hwe se na omu amaka nyina omu hwe ma bra bo besin ne na wanka safa ya adesua na decide what you want to do mudi nkwasi asem wo krom ha omemu ha obi ansuro obi awu ye ne mu be feso wo omemu ha sa for the next 4 years a choice that you make won pese ye no mo feso a mo sakra mo suban peyen so be sakra minye si ose obia ayi amanase hwan obia pese onu obia kontokwa wo minye shu obia pese o man yeye enta wo sakra pe obia be sakra and then manase we no kan say ochina no kan say and then no kan say because want to me you are not consistent in doing the right thing and we cannot be consistent in supporting you, so be consistent in doing the right thing and let us also be consistent in supporting you and we will support you. Monfa Madwin agreement for the next 4 years. Because these 4 years are going to be very, very turbulent. 4 years there is going to be giddy, and you are aware. You and people from Mo party there's going to be the Alan Baumia, the Tugati, and all of those, and and Sana, the issues in Parliament, and and Sana Mobile called parliamentary primaries, they are going to be issued, and and Sana national executive elections. There are going to be issues and no as a constituency. So so you don't have to add Bobby Answer. You don't have to add Bachanfor. You don't have to add Kevin Taylor. You don't have to add Manasseh. You don't have to add Anas because you have your own issues already. So just try to do the right thing so that we can also try to support you. Jimmy na mujimi 4 years no. Munjai. Mujimi ache. Mujimi kakreye. Sa mujimi no. Mujimi kakreye. Na mena montina. Mobibia, good night. The plan is no, Papa. Why? Replenish. budget. See you gone. If you see a do, I gonna for some kicker. La 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 la. The best, the best. The plan is Kobe. I'm a long story now, my Today we day, even today